nails and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope that you are all having an amazing day and ready for today's video. So I'm going to be focusing today on the 4 solid colors from this Labor Luxe collection: Executive Flame, Office Chic, Union Blue, Bring My Latte. So these 4 colors I already have put on my palette, and on my tips I have used Bold White from Glam in the USA collection, and you know, you can see it is bold, it is so white. So I didn't wipe away the tacky layer because I'm just gonna go in and put my colors down. So I'm going to use these 4 colors and mush them in. Everyone has seen that viral nail design where you put the colors down and you just mush it and it's like, ta-da! So that's literally what I plan to do. So on, I think 3 nails, I might make it a full nail. So I'm using my Madam Glam plaid brush and just really getting some colors down. I don't want too much of the Union Blue because I just feel it's going to make the nail really dark. So I'm going to try and put some of the Bring My Latte near it. Okay, so I'm just going to get this nail off the nail stand. And I'm going to use my square brush, just wiping that, and I'm going to bring the colors down. So just like that. So I'm actually happy with how that looks. I'm just gonna check everywhere and I'm gonna put it in a lamp and flash it for 10 seconds. And I'm gonna do the same on these 2 nails, just like that. So get some of this Executive Flame down. Trying to not and you can try it with whatever colors you've got. Obviously I'm using the colors from this month's collection mainly, but you can definitely use what you have to create this same sort of, well, to use this kind of technique to do a nail design. So a little bit of Bring My Latte. So with the colors all down, I'm going to do the same again and just use this brush and bring them down. Put that nail there. Now I am going to wipe my brush before doing the next nail, not taking the same gel. So I'm going to cure those two nails now. So on the final nail, I want to kind of do what I've done on the middle finger there and just focus on the free edge of the nail so I can have some white bits left. Again, I'm just getting the colors on. Okay, so I'm just going to do the same. Wipe my brush. So on this nail, I decided to definitely put some glitter. I'm putting Korea Pink on there, and I'm just going to use my ombre brush and feather some of it down into the nail, but not all the way down. And also this helps me to kind of hide that line of demarcation where I you know, put the gel. Sorry. You're like, no, I don't know. So I think this color is so pretty, this Korea Pink. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of acetone on my brush just to wipe away, because I don't want it to come all the way up the nail. And then just do a final little feathering. Okay. So here are how the nails are looking. Now what I did was I put some base coat, I wiped the tacky layer, and then I went in with some no wipe top coat from Madam Glam, and I only cured for 10 seconds because I feel like I need some chrome. So I'm going to use this sponge and just get the chrome on, because I didn't want a chrome that was going to distort the color like completely. I'm just going to do that on the rest of the nails. And now you see what I mean? I don't know, it's giving very peppermint, very rock. I don't know, but I absolutely love all these colors together. So I'm about to mute myself, guys. I'm gonna put some of this black I'm gonna put some of this black gel paint into my palette or onto my palette for some nail art. And we're gonna get into it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Here are the nails. Of course, I measured them so they could fit on my phalanges. This one was a little bit small, but we made it work. Guys, these colors, these 4 colors, I cannot get over them. Okay, yes, so I used a bit of chrome, drew some hibiscus flowers, and put a little bow there and a little bow there. Ever since I had this like over a year ago, I've never really had a chance to use these bows. And today I was like, oh my gosh, this is the day. This is the day the Lord has made. Oh my goodness. So I absolutely love everything. I love Korea pink and all the 4 solid colors here. That's what I have on the nails. And on my base, I have bold white. Now that's from the Glam in the USA collection. As I was saying, I used a little bit of chrome on top just to give it a little glaze, but you can still see the colors below. And then I thought, you know what? Where's the glitter? So Korea chick, oh my gosh, Korea pink literally just felt like the vibe. Now, I'm going to bring it right up and turn on the flash. Ooh, there we go. So there's the flash. And it's almost as if the glitters are the same colors as the 4 polishes. I don't even know what I'm saying. But guys, I'm Mama Does Nails. Feel free to use the discount codes on screen, guys. Save yourself some money when you shop at madamglam.com. This is the finished set. And, you know, if you've got a stamping plate, you could stamp something if you didn't want to draw. But I think other than that, this is a very beginner-friendly tutorial. Give it a go. Tag me. Let me know what you think in the comments. But I absolutely love this. This is summer into fall. It's not too summery, but we're getting into fall and all of that good stuff. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Catch me in the next one. Bye, everyone.